Hi, I'm Amy, your Mac mentor, and these are some of my favorite Finder tips. When you're looking for something in Finder, you can change the view to more easily find what you're looking for. The thumbnail view is helpful when you're looking by visual, like a photo or a document that you can recognize visually. And down on the lower right, there's a little slider so you can make your thumbnails bigger or smaller. I like the list view because you can sort by some different criteria. So I usually sort by the date that I last opened it, so I can always find my most recent item on the top. The column view is neat and clean, and you can see the different folders and then their contents go into a column to the right. So it's nice and easy. When you have a long list of long file names, you can expand the text by going to the divider on the right side and double click when you see this icon. And ta-da! You can also quickly preview files in Finder by just selecting a file and tapping your spacebar to make it bigger. Tap the spacebar again to collapse. And you can do that with the icons on the desktop or within a Finder view. I also use the Go menu quite a bit, and if you click here, you can quickly jump to a lot of common folders. If you find yourself going to a folder quite often and you want to create a folder shortcut, you can find the folder you want and then drag that under your favorites menu for a quick shortcut. Another very helpful tool built into Finder is the View menu, and I recommend this a lot to show the path bar and also view the status bar. And this is helpful because now at the bottom of my Finder window, I can see a path of where the current folder I'm viewing, where that is located in the computer. And if I select a file, you'll see the path changes to the path for that particular file. And then the status menu below that also shows me the number of items and the storage available in each select folder. These tags are also very helpful for visually locating an important file or a particular type of file based on how you want to file your files. So if I have a very important file that I want to put a tag on it, I can use my little shortcut menu up here or do a right click and choose a color for my tag. Now this one has a little red dot next to it that tells me that this is an important file. To untag it, do the same thing, right click, and then you can just select that color again and it removes the tag. If I want to see all the files with a particular tag, that's where this comes in. I just click here and that's my shortcut to view all of those files that I've tagged. If I untag it, it will no longer appear in that screen. To quickly move something to the trash, you can choose Command Delete and throw it in the trash immediately. That way you don't miss the boat when you're dragging it, or if you have multiple items selected and you want to throw those away, Command Delete. When you want to empty your trash, you can choose Command Shift Delete in Finder, and you will get the confirmation that I want to empty trash. Now for my experienced users, 2 ways to find hidden files. One, in Finder, Command Shift period will show you the hidden files, and in Finder under the Go menu, press down your Option key to show your library. That's all for now.